They did not have a pleasant relationship, and so she fired a gun into a door where a person on the other side was defensive. I know that what the judge is going to think. This woman was on the other side of a door when you shot it. Had the door not been there, she would have seen the gun, she would have ran away and thought of her kids, but you didn't even give her the benefit of that. So now I'm basically, you only were convicted to felony manslaughter anyway. So there's a max. I'm going to hit you with the max unless you can prove to me that you deserve a downward departure. Her state of mind was a big deal in this case here, Kelly, because under Florida law, she had to prove, and she wasn't able to do it, that she had a reasonable fear for her life. The jury did not buy it. Because the jury did not buy it, I don't think the judge can overcome the will of the jury and say, well, the 12 people did not believe it. You introduced evidence. You had a psychologist. You had had every chance to show that you had a reasonable fear for your life. You'd called the police before, but a jury of 12 of your peers did not buy it, so I'm not going to buy it. You're asking me to buy it. I'm going to hit you with the max, because at the end of the day, 4 kids were rendered motherless. So things happen. When random life events happen and bad luck goes against you and something happens, had A.J. Owens not died, we would not be here, right? But because she died, and because she had 4 children, and because a jury of 12 of her peers did not believe that she had a reasonable fear for her life, because Florida has a stand your ground law, and it's very robust, and a jury of her peers still did not buy that she should have been in fear for her life. So I just don't think they're going to buy it. The judge is going to buy it.
We'll have to see what defense counsel presents in mitigation. That's coming up next. We're going to get in a quick break, but don't go anywhere. You're watching Court TV, your front row seat to justice.